Okay, some reminders about methods as you go in to write them. Really important bullet points here. Number one, be specific about how, where, and when you will collect data. Um, you were perhaps rightfully critical of the example we read in terms of this. Um, Also, be very specific about your sample. And it's okay to be really clear. You don't have to cloud this in academic language. I will interview 4 people. Um, I will attempt to survey 20 freshman students, blah, blah. Um, One of the things that can help is to include a chart or a table or even a figure. Particularly, I encourage you to do that for district demographics. So if you're going to be in 2 districts or even 1 district, go to eddata.k12.org or something like that, ed-data, if you search for it. And you can just download an Excel table of your district demographics, free and reduced lunch, English language learners, and so forth, and then just place it in here and make it look, good, like a word table. You may want to have a table of interview collection. You're going to interview, 2 people at this school and 2 people at that school. So, but they're going to be 2, 5th grade, or 1 5th grade and 1 4th, or whatever. I also recommend that you read the methods again of an author that you admire that's doing a similar method. So, or read the samples that we've provided. So reading those methods really helps. All right, so I don't know how this slide was missed in the first lecture, but let me talk briefly about it. The data collection protocol. I just want to talk about how this part goes into your methods. So in your methods, the paragraph that's about your data collection is going to specify how you created your protocol, including where you got it, or where you got the idea of it. So like your interview protocol might be adapted from somewhere, or maybe just from reading the book, that kind of thing. You're going to cite the books that talk about that type of protocol, that talk about like a semi-structured interview protocol, for example. And then you're going to refer to the appendix wherein you will have your protocol so that I can give you feedback on it. That protocol, so you'll need to revise it based on your peers' feedback before you put it in your Google Doc. And then I will give you additional feedback, and then at that point, once you revise it based on my feedback, you can use it to start collecting data. So it's a work in progress until that point.